Hello there, this is Douglas Rumbaugh, and welcome to another exciting episode of Canvas Sucks. In this episode, I want to talk about a very annoying limitation within Canvas that seems to have no reason for existing other than to make life difficult. Here is what that limitation is. Now in Canvas, you can set up your course using modules, and you can add things to the modules. So as an example, I can go ahead and add a file to my module here. And then when you have your object in your module, you can tweak its availability. So you can set something to be published, which means it's readily available, it's there and the student can always see it. You could also unpublish it, at which point the student won't be able to see it anymore. You can make it available to the students with a link, so they won't see it explicitly, but if you give them a link to it, they can see it. This field used to be called hidden, and they have since renamed it to be a little bit more explicit because that caused problems. One would think hidden means hidden, not available with a link. In any case, you can also schedule availability, and this is what I want to talk about here. So I can pick a date range over which this thing is available. So for example, I could say if today is the 20th, I could say I'm going to make it available as of the 21st, update, and you can see it turns orange and says available after September 21. And so with it set up like this, a student won't be able to see or access this file until that date has come, which is quite useful for things like, say, a solutions document for a homework assignment. You can schedule it so that that solutions document becomes readily available to the student automatically after the deadline for the homework assignment. Quite convenient. However, there are a variety of different items you can create in Canvas, including a Canvas page. And the wonderful thing about Canvas is that it restricts scheduled availability to files. So, I cannot take a page and make it available at a particular time automatically. It's either going to appear to the student or not, and those are my only options. Which means that if I wanted to embed my stuff directly into Canvas rather than using a file, I can't schedule its availability. It's not too bad because all I have to do is walk in here and say, okay, I'm going to publish that assignment solutions page manually. But I can't schedule the availability like that. Now the other option would be I can control module availability. So this here is the module, and I can say add more modules. And with a module, say we call this the assignment 1 solutions module, I can lock this module and move my hello. There we go. I can lock the module and move my page into the module. But I can't just have my page standing alone in an already existing and available module like this and schedule its availability. You're only allowed to do that with files. I don't get it. If you're going to have that feature, why not extend that feature to everything? Why make me manually toggle the file to be available? The whole point of software is to automate things. So, the mind boggles. Anyway, I hope that you found this interesting. I will see you in the next video.